Hi guys, making a video for our dogs. Hope you enjoy the channel. Hi Ellie. She is our star. Lots of energy. Okay, how many people out there think she can catch this ball? Can you catch it? Catch it, Ellie? Good job. Do you want to go walking? Come on. Let's go. Let's go see what we can find. Come on. There's Bobo. That's my Joe Biden right there. Lazy. This is Bobo, by the way. This is Ellie. She's more like Donald Trump. She's active, very rambunctious, going to get things done, hopefully. Loud. Don't tell you what for. Whether you want to hear it or not, she's going to let you know what she's got to say. That's my little Trump right there. She's always playing her game. And over there is Sissy. You see Sissy? She walks the walk and talks her talk. She actually, over there, she is the leader of the pack. You wouldn't know it by looking at her. But if you notice, she's over there where Daddy's working in the shop. She does not leave where she thinks her dad's going to come out and play. Really? Really? If you was a Bowie, you'd make a perfect president. You just don't give in. You don't give up. You just don't give up. Don't give up until someone throws that ball. Come on, let's walk over here. Come on, let's go. It's getting dark out here. It's beautiful. I hope everybody's having a good day, enjoying the weather. I'll turn this around as easy as I can. Ellie! There's Bobo. Come here, Ellie. What are you doing? Where are you going, Miss Ellie? I'm going to get everybody dizzy. What'd you do with it? She's just as precious. She's as precious as the day is long, I'm telling you. Come on, Ellie. Trying to make sure I don't see no snakes. Come on, Ellie. That thing coming up right there, Bobo. He is my go-to dog right there. Ellie just left me. Come on, Sissy. You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Come on, we'll make the circle. Try to keep this steady. You want to go for a walk? Don't look at me like that. Come on, we'll go up here. Trying to make sure I don't run into a snake. Come on, let's go for a walk. Lights are coming on. Nighttime lights. Y'all see something, say something. If I don't want to step over a snake. I seen one a couple of days ago right up in front of that truck. That's all I need. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Bobo. We used to have a dog, and if she seen a snake, she would tear its head off. I know that sounds brutal, but you were safe if you were walking. Come on. Let's go. See, he's still hobbling around a little, but he's getting around pretty good. Still struggling a little. Look at my hostas coming in. Those are so pretty. Those are so nice when they're thick like that. Come on, let's go. He's probably wanting to get some water. Seen all the political stuff on TV lately. I thought it would be nice to just come out here and take a walk with the dogs and get away from that stuff. Look how they're just chilling. Just having a good time. What are you wanting? You want me to throw that? Where's it at? There it is. Y'all, this is not a ball. I'll show it to you. Maybe. I'll show it to you. This is not a ball. This is off of a Mustang. And these dogs love it, so it's the best toy you can buy or get. I mean, go to a junkyard, you can get one. There you go. There's my babies. They say not to say that on YouTube for some reason, but if you got some dogs you love, get that camera out and take pictures. You're not going to have them forever. Y'all hear that frog? We have this big frog we've had for years. And we just, a couple of days ago, seen him I had him last year. He showed up on the carport, under the carport. And he's back again. Not sure where he's been. Alright, y'all, it's getting dark. This right here is an indication that it's getting dark outside. You see that light? Alright, I'm going to have to wrap this up today. I'll see y'all later. God bless and have a nice day. See y'all back here next week. Bye.